Hi everyone, Sherry from QuantConnect here with your weekly flash briefing Rebalance. Here's how QuantConnect is pioneering tomorrow's trading with you this week. We've launched a deep integration of QuantConnect with Jupyter Lab. The new research environment lets you access project files from Jupyter to analyze your algorithm classes. We're aiming to provide the community with a world-class research platform for you to generate awesome algorithms. We can't wait for you to test it out with your next strategy. The Alpha 5 competition deadline is approaching. All submissions are due by November 1st. If you have a question, send the team a message in the forum. Check out a live feed of the teams on the competition leaderboard from the Alpha 5 homepage linked below. Jack, part of our Alpha Streams review team, has created a short video on how submitting an alpha for the Alpha 5 competition is easier than ever. In it, he implements a momentum strategy and uses our new Tiingo data news source to indicate when the market is trending. You can find documentation about our other alternative data sources in the link below. Thanks for listening to this week's Rebalance, and happy coding!